Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to enable Task Manager disabled by administrator. So guys, if you ever encounter that issue, as you can see, the Task Manager is not available. Just simply go to the start menu over here, and now just simply go for run, or just simply search over here, run. Just simply open this up. And from here, just simply search for gpedit.msc and click on OK over here. And now from here, just simply go to user configuration. Now just simply go for administrative templates. And from here, just simply go to the system over here. And now once you are here on the system, just simply go to Control Alt Delete options. And now from here, just simply full screen over here or maximize and go for the remove task manager. So double click on this. And now from here, just simply go for not configured and click on apply and click on OK. And after that, when you go to your start menu over here, as you can see, you should be able to access it. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.